Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you a really cool effect you can create in the app Prequel. There is a pro version, so some of these features I'm going to make in future videos about Prequel are going to be paid, but there are free versions with just less variations for each effect. And so if you just import a photo or video, you can apply this very cool scrapbook look. So they actually have two different ones for this. There's typo and there's like ransom note. So there's two of them. I think I like this one better because there's like a grain overlay. So if you just tap on the thumbnail, you can adjust the text. So I could do like Summer Walker. You can also shuffle them even more, which I don't like that much. I like it being slower. And then you can change the scale of the text as well as the position. So this is super simple, and the great thing about this specific overlay, you can adjust the dust as well, the letter spacing, as well as the filter. A lot of times these filters aren't that good with the effect. I just personally like the effect itself. So once you're done adding all that, you can add one of the default filters or the presets they have, which might fit a little bit better. It's just like Night City, Celeste. I would go on trends because there's a lot of cool trendy ones, like Indie Kid. So this one actually looks cool. So I'll keep that. So once you're done, you can press the top right corner and it'll export. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for future videos. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.